Have you ever think in your life that it's time to improve your skill? It's time to learn something new in your life. It's high time to upgrade your life skill. I know that if you are enthusiastic to improve your life in future or in present, then this type of question, this type of thought, you always think. You always try to do something new, but you can't do that. You are always going aloof. This calls procrastination. So it's a very big problem of everyone's life, and in today's video I will just say you about this thing, that what is my vision actually, why basically I will learn English, and why I practice my English in every single day. What is the main vision? What is the main intention of my life? Well, most of the learners of my channel, from my channel or other channel, they are always doing a comment that why typically you are learning English? Why? And how did you speak English in every single videos? Like if you check it out, my every videos previous, or you go check out my YouTube playlist, then you say that I just speak English without any grammatical part, without any boring textbook rules that actually always feeling bothered, like excitement. And when you think that subject, verb, object, you make mistake to create sentence, right? So actually, this is a not a right way. That's a right way. You have to practice speaking effortlessly. You try speaking relentlessly, and you have to be a goal. Like you want to be an English fluent speaker within 1 year, within 8 months. Someone say you will be fluent speaker in 3 months, in 6 months. But this is a not right way. Some important things takes time, and English speaking is not like any other including a skill. It's a power, it's a weapon. If you skill it, if you good at speaking English, then you are the one boss of your life. Like in every single job you can entry, you can go easily. Then someone, your friends try to a lots of, they try to hard work lots of things, but they can't. But when you speak actually, you can entry easily, and that's the benefit. Now let's move on in my purpose. Really actually, you know that in every single video I speak too much, and it actually my problem. But I always focus in my speaking. This is not actually problem. If you can say that there's a problem, I just speak. That's why I can boost my English fluency. And it's time to speak more, too much. That's the time actually. Even no one care about you, you can make mistake. That's the easy part. That's a very inevitable part of everyone's life. And in my every video, I always say that this is a short of stuff for being successful life. This is a short of stuff being making mistake. Without making mistake, you can't accept your problem. You can't understand the situation, that how far away is going the situation with you. That was actually obvious for you. And in every night before sleeping, you always see that this kind of dream. Yes, I want to be like that. Right. Well, now let's begin in my vision. Why I actually practice my English, and why I am learning English. Right now, I have started in honors third year, and I think that I have a one skill that phenomenally everyone gets shocked when listening my story, when they are watching my video, when they are knowing about my life story. And I know that, I believe that in my experience, everyone has to be a one skill that basically and typically and moral of the story, everyone get shocked when they listen, when they know about your life story. Like you are good at in writing. It may be English, it may be any another language. Then you have a power to write a blog. You have a power to communicate with someone. Like if you search in Chrome browser that how to earn money by writing, then you get lots of things, you get lots of job, but you have to find it, you would research it. That's the thing. Normally, when I realize this kind of thing, this kind of stuff, I just think that yes, I have to be like that. Like in every days I follow English content creator like the Diary of CEO, Ali Abdal, Dan Mortel. They are always doing fantastic. And if you are follow their content, their structure, their chapter, then obviously you will be like that. And here also a analogy that if you follow, if you are hang out with someone, you will be like that. Like as you sow, as you reap. That's the metaphor, right? And that's why I think that yes, I will be good at in English somehow. And somewhere in every single day I listen that you have a one skill that actually fight with someone. Right. And that's the thing. And I always say English is a weapon. And you also know that right now I have started in honors third year. So it's a time to upgrade myself. It's a high time for improving my life skill. And after 1 year later, my family automatically create a pressure on you, on mine, that you have to earn money somehow. We don't know anything about your life. We just want money. And it's like a accountability that every parents wants, every parents would like to say that you earn money from your 25 or 23 or 20. So it looks like a happiness, it looks like a happy family, and that's why they actually want. They don't know about the job market right now. The job market is are going so rose, so bad day by day. And when you think about the job market, you also getting so much bad thing, negative thing, and you are going with anxiety and demotivation. You can't think that what actually I'm doing in my life, what should I do in my life story. And that's why I see this kind of vision. And when I see this vision from my life story, I wake up in every morning, I read a lots of book like The Diary of CEO, Fastland, written by Elon Musk. And there are lots of book like Alex Hormozy, The 100 Million Leads, 100 million followers. Like I actually forget the book name. So if you are enthusiastic, if you are indomitable to do something in future, in present, in your life, you have to be like me. Yes, yes, my friends, it's a time to upgrade, to change your life. And if you are really curious, really intent to change your life, then follow my instruction, then practice your English even if you make mistake. You are making mistake, that's a very, very common part. Don't get shy because everyone make mistake. Phenomenally, I would like to share you one thing that every person has a dream to go far away, to see about what actually he want to be. So why you are sitting when you get shocked? Why? No, my friends, get up, stand up. You are unique in million. You are indomitable from millions people, you can do something. Ideally, if you found this video is helpful, then hit the like button, subscribe my channel for more amazing content, for more real conversation, and I really appreciate your hard work. I'm waiting for your successful journey to see that when you are comment in my videos section that yes, your motivation, your chapter is working in my life, that's my success. And don't forget to share this video to your friend who are intent to learn English. And eventually, now I say one thing, that one thing, I also beginner. I'm not a big breakthrough. I'm not a big learner. I'm not a English pro learner. I am also like you. So we are make mistake. Please notice if I make any mistake to create sentence, to speak any informative sentence or information, please let me know in my comment section. I will try to solve this problem. And please tell me your pioneer thoughts in my comment section that you are doing something great, and we are waiting for your videos in every single day. And also do comment your intention, your drift, like in every single day what actually you are doing, where you are getting stuck, right? So please do that and be bold, be the best version of yourself in 2025. Be consistent. Love you, everyone.